Tonight we're at Orlando Speed World. This is the first time the Tesla has been out to this track. Heard good things about it. Temperature seems just right, high 70s. So this all-wheel drive Explorer is running a 3-liter EcoBoost. He's got a tune with some E85 cut with I think 93 octane, so what he calls E50. He says it's got about 500 horsepower with the additional boost and tune that he's got on there. So 500 horses there, about 5,000 pounds. Tesla a little bit heavier, but of course a little more power than that. So a couple of all-wheel drive cars. We'll see how they stack up against each other here. Yeah, first pass was okay at 10.8, 122 miles an hour. We gave the Explorer the move and it was not a problem. Man, thanks for the race.
Yeah, man, it was good.
My car hooked up big time.
It going into like 4th or 5th, it was every once in a while it'll do that, it will just like kind of fall like I was telling you about. So
yeah, didn't shift well.
Didn't shift well, but it still hooked pretty good. At 1.8, not bad for this.
Yeah, 115.
Yeah.
Well, we've now got about 100 cars here at Orlando Speed World. So the staging lanes are deep into the parking lot. Got well over an hour between runs. We've got an AMG all-wheel drive here. He's got more tire than the Tesla does. He's got a 295 on a 20-inch tire. These are about 2 inches wider than the Tesla.